Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Amia. In this episode, we're going to look at AWS Trusted Advisor. AWS Trusted Advisor is an online tool that provides you real-time guidance to help you provision resources following AWS best practices. It is an advisory service. You can decide if you want to follow the guidance. Trusted Advisor scans AWS resources in all regions, compares it with best practices under 5 categories, and makes recommendations. 5 categories are cost optimization, performance, security, fault tolerance, service limits. Trusted Advisor dashboard is global scope, which gives you a unified view of recommendations for all regions. By default, you have free access to Trusted Advisor. With AWS Basic Support Plan and Developer Support Plan, you can access 7 core Trusted Advisor checks. With Business and Enterprise plans, you have full access to Trusted Advisor checks. This is the console UI of Trusted Advisor. As you can see, Trusted Advisor makes recommendations of your AWS infrastructure under 5 categories. Cost optimization gives you recommendations that can potentially save you money by highlighting unused resources and opportunities to reduce your bill. On this graph, Trusted Advisor is telling us that 9 optimization options can potentially save over $7,000 per month. Performance recommendations can help you improve the speed and responsiveness of applications. Security recommendations help you identify security settings that can make your AWS resources more secure. Fault tolerance recommendations help increase the resiliency of AWS resources by highlighting redundancy shortfalls, current service limits, and overutilized resources. Service limits tells you when service usage is more than 80% of the service limit in your AWS account, so you can extend the limit in advance. Trusted Advisor highlights your AWS resources and recommends the potential improvements. For example, it can tell you things potentially could waste or save your money, such as low utilization of EC2 instances, idle load balancers or instances, unassociated EIPs, and whether you should leverage the reserved instances. Imagine there are hundreds of AWS instances and resources running across multiple AWS regions. Navigating through all the instances and resource settings, and optimize the cost savings, performance could be a huge challenge for your SysOps team. Trusted Advisor gives real-time guidance to help you continuously optimize your AWS infrastructure across all regions. In this episode, we've learned AWS Trusted Advisor. Trusted Advisor scans AWS infrastructure and makes recommendations on cost optimization, performance, security, fault tolerance, service limits. When you sign up with AWS Basic Support Plan, you get 7 core Trusted Advisor checks for free. Okay, that's all for AWS Trusted Advisor. Thanks for watching and see you in the next episode. Hope you've enjoyed watching this episode. If you liked the video, please help us and hit the like button. If you want to watch more tutorials, please subscribe to the Cloudemy TV channel. Make sure to turn on the notification and stay tuned. At Cloudemy, we're passionate about cloud and AI technology. Please share your feedback and thoughts in the comments below. Feel free to let us know what topics you'd like to watch. Happy watching and happy learning.